to another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today we're going to be installing more Paragon Performance carbon fiber pieces on the C8 Corvette. And you already know, just like our front splitter, these carbon fiber pieces will be coming from Paragon Performance. So let's get started. So what did we get? These two are the carbon fiber trim pieces for the steering wheel. And this right here in this bag is the carbon fiber racing strip. Just a couple accents to put on the C8 Corvette. So essentially, we're carbon fibering, I'm making that a word, the silver trim that runs right here, like that, and this racing strip right here. So let's start this off with an install montage. And like I said in my last video when we installed the front lip, Paragon Performance parts are just so simple and such good quality. For example, just look at this. This is the piece, and it's literally going to go right over the carbon fiber, just like that, and clip right on. Wow, what a difference that makes already. So this is what the inside of the piece looks like. As you can see, the 3M tape's covered up. All we have to do is just peel this off and stick it right on. So here we go. First piece is coming on. I'm starting from top, going down to the bottom, and I'm going to slide the right side of this carbon fiber piece in or under the horn so that it's not blocking our precious Z mode button. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. What a difference this already makes. And look at the fitment. Just stock OEM fit. So now time to do the other side and then move on to the carbon fiber race strip. We're going to start from the top, line it up, and then we're going to slide this under the horn so everything lines up, so you're not blocking, once again, your precious buttons. Wow. This looks so good. It's amazing what a little bit of carbon fiber can actually do for a car. But now it's time to change this black leather racing strip to carbon fiber. So this is the carbon fiber racing strip. Comes in two pieces and it just goes right on around there. Okay, so we took off the 3M tape cover, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the back, and then I'm gonna put on the second piece, and I'm gonna put it on the front to finish it off. That's a finished product right there. That's a finished product. So if you're anything like me, and you're not a car mechanic, you're the average car enthusiast, I would get your aftermarket parts for your C8 Corvette, your C7 Corvette, or your C8 Z06 from Paragon Performance. Why? Because everything they make can be easily installed. The quality is as if GM Corvette made this themselves. And if you don't feel like taking off your steering wheel or possibly messing up any warranties, you can just buy some clip-on parts and then make it look like you actually bought a steering wheel. But if you don't care about warranties and you like taking off steering wheels, they do make steering wheels. They do make a bunch of pieces where you can actually go and be a mechanic. And if you do get lost along the process, they do make YouTube videos on every installation for their products. All right, let's look at every piece again. We have the carbon fiber front splitter. And we move on to the interior. We have the carbon fiber race strip and the carbon fiber trim along the steering wheel. I mean, you can't go wrong with one more montage. Wow. Let's just take one more look, just one more look. Wow. That just looks so good. And the steering wheel, wow. When I drive this, it changes the driving experience completely for me. Personally, now I feel like I'm driving a race car. It's so cool. That's gonna be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below, do you like the carbon fiber on the steering wheel? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.